Good morning from Disney's Blizzard Beach. Today we are here for a day filled of slippery, slopey fun down the slides here at Blizzard Beach. Weather today is a nice 82 degrees, so it's gonna be a perfect day to be going down the slides, having a great day here at Blizzard Beach. So without further ado, let's get into the video. There is Summit Plummet, their main slide here at Blizzard Beach. Now, Blizzard Beach is one of Disney's two water parks, that other one being Typhoon Lagoon, and unfortunately Typhoon Lagoon is currently closed for the season. But, you know, winter season makes perfect sense for Blizzard Beach to be open, so I think it's very fitting that this one is open and Typhoon Lagoon is the one that's closed. I'm just super excited to get on all the slides. We brought the GoPro today, so you'll get all my reactions down on all the slides, including Summit Plummet, which that one, when I did it last time, ooh, that was terrifying, and I know it's just me just as bad today since I haven't done it in such a long time. I'm excited to get in the water. It's a beautiful day here in Florida, and there's no better way to spend a beautiful day than going to a water park. This right here is the view from our chair that we set up this morning. There's Summit Plummet right there. It looks like behind the trees we got some slides back there. I don't know the names exactly. Of course we have the wave pool right here, so you know, later if we get bored and we don't want to do slides, we have a huge pool right here in front of our chairs that we can go in. Like I said, today I brought the GoPro, so I'm gonna switch over from this camera to this camera, and I'm gonna go ride some slides. Of course, there's two ways to get up to the top of Mount Gushmore, I think it's called, I believe. There's the stairs, and then there's the fun way, which is this little lift system. So we're gonna take that up to the top to ride Slush and Gusher and Summit Plummet. There's Summit Plummet. Let's go do it. I'm climbing up the stairs right now for Summit Plummet, and oh my god, guys, the views are amazing, but we keep going up and up and up, and this is gonna be terrifying, y'all. But we're gonna do it. No better way to kick off the day than going down Summit Plummet, the scariest slide here at Typhoon Lagoon. No, sorry, not Typhoon Lagoon, Blizzard Beach. What am I saying? I'm nervous. Let's get this over with. Oh, look at that. That was amazing. Now that we've done Summit Plummet, we're heading back up the stairs because we're gonna do Summit Plummet's, I think in my opinion, scarier slide, the Slush and Gusher. And this one, so I've been told, you come off the slide because there's like a bunch of little dips, and once you pick up that speed and you come off the slide, that sounds quite terrifying to me. So we're heading that one next, and this is one of the slides I didn't do last time because I was too afraid to do it. So no better time like the present, I guess. Oh my god. Now that we finished with the two scary slides here at Blizzard Beach, it's time to do a more chill one. Teamboat Springs. This is the family raft ride they have here. Woo! Here we go, double down. Whoa! Whoa! Woo! Whoa! And now we go in the lazy river section of the slide. Once you get off the slide, you're not done. You go down this little stream to the very end, and it's a nice relaxing change of events from the fast double down that we just had.
Guys, there's people behind you that want to go. Come on!
Now, since it is a Disney water park, of course we have to have a hidden Mickey, and of course it says Disney's Blizzard Beach on it. Smile for the photo. Right now, we are gonna take a mini lunch break. We're heading over to the Wada Lodge. And we're gonna grab some food there. I just mobile ordered a chicken and rice bowl with a Fanta Sprite. So we're gonna go over there. We're gonna have a quick little lunch, and then we're back to the action here at Blizzard Beach, going down more slides, checking out the lazy river, which we haven't done yet, going to the wave pool, and so much more. Here's a look at that chicken rice bowl, and it looks absolutely banging. It looks like we got the white rice, we got the vegetable stir fry, and we got the chicken right there. All right, let's take our first bite of this chicken rice bowl. We're gonna get a little bit of rice, a little bit of chicken, and a little bit of vegetable stir fry. That is good. That, I think, might be some of the best quick service food I've had at Disney. Oh yeah, look at that. It's a nice option too, not to have like, you know, a burger and fries or like tenders and fries. To have something like a little bit more healthier, I'll take it. No better way to get acclimated to the water than going into the lazy river right after eating lunch. You know, they always say wait an hour to go back in the pool after lunch, but if you're on a tube, is it really like you're in the pool? This is honestly so peaceful. I absolutely love it. Nothing but me, this tube, and floating down the lazy river here at Blizzard Beach. Doesn't get better than that. Now heading over to the purple slope where we have the downhill double dipper, the snow stormers, and the toboggan racers. All of these slides incorporate some sort of racing element into them. This one right here, you take a tube and you race your partner down the slide, and it looks like we got a huge drop, and you come all the way down into this pool.
Hey, double dipper. Please remember that.
Here we go. Whoa! Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo! Whoa! Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo! Oh yeah! Whoa! Whoa! Woo!
On your marks, get set, go! Oh, you got that.
Heading to the back of the park where they have some tube slides called Runoff Rapids. It's 3 different slides, and you get to go down them, and they're really long and really fun. So we're heading back there right now. And the one thing I do love about Blizzard Beach is that when you come here, they bring the tubes up for you on like a little like ramp, so you don't have to carry them up the stairs. You can just go up to the top, and they'll have the tube ready for you up there. Here we go, guys. Whoa! Woo! Oh boy, here come bumps. This is quite long, honestly. Woo! Oh no, more bumps! Whoa! Ooh, splashy. Woo! Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo. Here we go. Oh, this one's faster than the last one. Whoa! I wonder if there's gonna be more bumps on this one as well. Whoa! Woo! Whoa, we are twisting. Oh, yep, here's the bumps. Woo! Woo! Oh no, more bumps. Whoa! Here we go. Big splash. Woo! This one's gonna be dark, so I have no idea how much y'all will be able to see. Oh my gosh. This one's fast. Woo! Oh my god. Woo! Oh my gosh. We are zooming. Whoa! Woo! Wow, it's fun. Woo! Oh, here we go. Whoa! That last one had holes in the side, so you could see a little bit, but for most of that ride, you couldn't see anything. However, that one out of the three was definitely the fastest. I think my favorite one of them all. So even though it was dark, that one was quite exciting. The one thing that does suck is there is a bunch of stairs to get up to the top, but we're heading back up, and we're actually going to go back up to Summit Plummet, take that back down. Time for Summit Plummet Part 2. Let's do it.
The lifeguard will give you the all clear.
Damn. Earlier when we were having lunch, I saw a little stand for mini donuts, and I was like, I want that for dessert, but instead we went into the lazy river for a little bit. But now I'm kind of craving mini donuts, so we're gonna head over to the stand and grab ourselves some, and then we'll see how they taste. Because I've heard great things about Joffrey's mini donuts, and it comes with like chocolate, raspberry, and white chocolate dipping sauce. So we're gonna try them. Here is a look at the mini donuts from Joffrey's. So instead of the dipping sauce, they put like a sugar coating over them. They look really, really good. And of course, we had to go with a Happy Snowman drink, which is really funny because they're playing Olaf right now. But we got this. It's basically like the Team Blue lemonade from Magic Kingdom, but an iced version. We're gonna try our first little mini donut here at Blizzard Beach. Oh, that's a lot of sugar. Kind of tastes a little bit like a funnel cake, but donut version. I like them, they're really good. We are back once again with the GoPro, and this time we're going back over to the double down racer, whatever it's called. Double dipper racer. We're going to that. So much fun! Whoa! Whoa! Oh my gosh! Woo! Big splash! Over here in the ski patrol training camp, they have a couple slides that we can actually go down. They also have some iceberg crawls and a zip line, but those are for younger audiences. But we're over here for the slides, so we're gonna do those. Here we go. Woo! Very twisty as well. Oh my gosh. Oh boy, here we go. This slide right here, the Frozen Pipe Springs, is like a straight shot down into like an 8-foot deep pool. This one's probably one of the best ones here. Well, just like that, another splash-tastic day is coming to an end here at Blizzard Beach Water Park. I might have a bit of a sunburn because I didn't really put sunscreen on, but that's okay. We had a great time regardless. Until next time, Blizzard Beach. See ya real soon. Well, y'all, I am officially back home from our day at Blizzard Beach Water Park here at Walt Disney World. And let me just say, the water parks are definitely slept on when it comes to like parks and resorts at Disney. Not many people talk about the water parks, and they really should, because Blizzard Beach is quite honestly really, really fun. They have a really good collection of slides. I think my favorite one would definitely have to be Summit Plummet, because that one just goes really high, goes straight down, and it's a rush for sure. There's so much to do there, and we spent the whole day from like almost basically open to close enjoying our day at Blizzard Beach. With that being said though, it is time to wrap up the vlog. So thank you so much for subscribing. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe down below if you aren't already. And yeah, that's about gonna wrap up today's video. So I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I will see you in the next video. So I hope to see you real soon.